हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू आवर सर्विस नाउ सीरीज। लास्ट की वीडियोस में हम लोगों ने देखा व्हाट इज़ अ रिकॉर्ड, हाउ अ रिकॉर्ड कैन बी व्यूड इन डिफरेंट व्यूज, हाउ कैन वी कस्टमाइज अ लिस्ट व्यू। एंड ये सब करने के बाद वी क्रिएटेड अ न्यू रिकॉर्ड एंड स्टोर्ड दैट डाटा इन अ टेबल। आज की वीडियो में हम लोग समझेंगे सर्च एंड फिल्टर, कंडीशन बिल्डर एंड ब्रेड क्रम्स। ये चार टूल्स आर वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टूल्स इन अ सर्विस नाउ, जो कि डाटा को क्विकली फाइंड करने में और उसको मैनेज करने में हेल्प करेगा। वाई दिस इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट? वी ऑल नो कि किसी चीज़, लेट्स से हमारा एक ईमेल इनबॉक्स है, उसमें एक स्पेसिफिक ईमेल ढूंढनी हो, तो अगर हमारे पास फिल्टर्स और सर्च ऑप्शंस नहीं होते तो इट वुड बी अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क। सर्विस नाउ में भी ऐसे ही थाउजेंड्स ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स होते हैं, और अगर आपको सिर्फ एक स्पेसिफिक डाटा ढूंढना हो तो ये टूल्स काफ़ी यूजफुल होंगे। Coming upon the first tool, that is search option. We have three different types of search, that is global search, list search and wildcard search. ग्लोबल सर्च एक ऐसा सर्च है जिसमें पूरा सर्विस नाउ इंस्टेंस में सर्च करते हैं। लिस्ट सर्च इज विद इन अ स्पेसिफिक टेबल या फिर सिर्फ एक पर्टिकुलर लिस्ट व्यू में सर्च करते हैं। एंड वाइल्ड कार्ड सर्च इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एडवांस सर्च, जिसके अंदर हम कुछ कैरेक्टर्स यूज करके हम सर्च करते हैं। नाउ we'll understand more while doing it. Coming upon to our ServiceNow instance, as you can see, this is our global search. This is the search that is on the left side of our navigation, on the right side of our navigation bar. For example, we say laptop issue. We type laptop issue. See, as we can see, we have different types of records saved for different tables. For example, for task table, there are 5 incidents. For task change request, we have 4 requests. Here on the right side, we can see in task incidents, we have 5 records which contains laptop issue. We in the table task change request, we have 4 records of laptop issue. For problem table, we have 1 record. From requested items, 3 records, and knowledge and catalog knowledge, we have 1 record. So this is what we do in the global search, that हम लोग globally पूरे instance के अंदर particular एक चीज़ find करते हैं, and let's say if we want to know about, we click on this record and all the information will be displayed here. Now coming upon to the list search, let's type incident all. Now, as you can see here, we have the table name, that is incident, and here we have the option to choose the fields, and this is the search option, that is number. For example, in number we type, for example, if we say in caller, we type survey user. As you can see, all the records containing survey user is displayed. So this is our list search. And now for wildcard search. In wildcard search, we have different characters that are listed below. First of all is the asterisk sign. Asterisk sign means that something or some alphabet or the word you have written, it is contained in that particular search. Exclamation and exclamation marks means that it does not contain. Equal to means that it should be exactly same to as what you are searching. Not equal to means that it is not exactly same. Percentage and the term means that this particular word is what is the ending, and term then percentage means that this particular thing is starting. For let's say, clicking upon this search option, for the first example, that is contains asterisk, let's say we write asterisk email. So all the records which contains email as in this short description will be displayed. And what if we write something Like, let's say I write hello. So, as you can see, there is no record which contains hello as the short description. So, this is what Xtrix contains. Then we come upon the exclamation marks and then the Xtrix. It means that you need to show the records which do not contain email. So, these are the records which do not contain email as in the short description. It's not. Then coming upon the third wildcard search, that is equal to. Let's say if we write equal to closed. Yes. So all the records which is exactly same to the closed will be recorded and will be shown or displayed here. Let's say if we write close instead of closed. Since the close is not equal to the closed, there will be no record shown here. So in this is what Xtrix and equal to is differentiated. For equal to, it should be exactly same, but in Xtrix, it should, these are the words that the record contains. It might be or might not be equally same. Then similar is with the exclamation mark, that is, let's say in the assignment group we write exclamation mark equals to network. So all the records which are not containing network will be displayed here. Then then the fifth one is the term and the percentage. Let's say the term is password and its percentage. So we know that any description that is starting with the password should be displayed. But since there is no record that is starting with the password, therefore no record is being displayed. So if we type percentage mark at the start, let's see what happens. It says that short description ends with password, and yes, we could see the records that ends with the word password. So these are what wildcard search is useful for. So now coming upon to the filters. What are filters? Filters आपको डाटा रिफाइन करने में हेल्प करते हैं by setting some conditions. For example, to set the priority as high, we need to find the incidents which are containing as high priority. So we'll simply choose the field here that will be priority is, and we'll choose as high. Then we'll run it. So now all the records which have high priority will be displayed here. This is the very simple and the basic filters, as we can say. Let's take another example. Let's say we have to choose the field category, or we can choose the field state to be that is empty. Let's say if let's check if there is any incident which state where the state is empty or not. Let's run it. So as we can see, there is no record that where the state is empty. So this is how we can filter the conditions and find the records. As you can see in the table here, the assignment group in one of the record, the assignment group is empty. Let's check this by filtering it. Choose field assignment group is empty. So run it. So yes, we have around 29 records where the assignment group is empty. Now condition builder. Condition builder एक टूल है जो आपको कॉम्प्लेक्स फिल्टर्स बनाने देता है एंड और लॉजिक के साथ. जैसे कि अभी तक मैंने आपको दिखाया है कि आई एम जस्ट वर्किंग अपॉन वन filter. Now what I want is I want to apply 2 or 3 filters. जैसे कि I want कि assignment group ऐसे records चाहिए जिसमें assignment group is empty and also जो priority हो वो critical हो. तो what we'll do is we'll define assignment group as is empty and the priority should be critical. So priority is critical. So now we'll run it. And as you can see, all the records are being displayed where the assignment group is empty and priority is critical. Let's take another more example with. So now we'll apply multiple filters to build a complex condition builder. Let's say we want some records where the assignment group is service text, the priority is critical, and the state can be either closed or it can be either in progress. So what we choose is that assignment group is service desk, service desk, and priority is critical, and state is either in progress or state is closed. Now we run this condition and see, as you can see, there are four records where the assignment group is the service text, the priority is one that is critical, and the state is either closed or in progress. So this is how we can build we can build a condition builder where we can apply multiple filters and find the record as per our requirements. Okay, so as you might have been saying, or when I want to do back or I want to go to the main table, I just simply click on this all button, and yes, I get back to my record, to my original table. So what is this actually? This is what breadcrumbs are. Breadcrumbs एक नेविगेशन टूल है जो आपको अप्लाइड फिल्टर्स को शो करता है, फिल्टर्स को क्विकली मॉडिफाई करने में हेल्प करता है और उसे हम रीसेट भी कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम एक फिल्टर लगाते हैं वेयर द स्टेट इज न्यू एंड priority is high. So we run it. So as we can see here that there are some things displayed where this is the breadcrumb, that is state equals to new and priority equals to 2 or high. If we simply click on this priority 2 as a high, we come upon this table, and if we click upon state, so there are the records displayed where the state is new. So this is what breadcrumbs are used for the navigation, कि किसी भी breadcrumb पे click करो ताकि उस filter पे हम आ सकते हैं. Let's say, as we have taken the last example where we applied multiple conditions. So if we want to go onto a particular filter, we simply click on that filter in the breadcrumb and will navigate to that table and the records. ब्रेडक्रम्स का सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज ये है कि वो आपको क्वेरी फॉर्मेट में अपने फिल्टर्स कॉपी कर सकता है. अब ये कैसे? लेट्स सी. We apply some conditions like where the state is new and the category is network and the approval is not yet requested. So we run it. So there is one record on this particular condition, and now if we right click on this breadcrumb, we'll see three option, that is either open new window, copy URL, copy query. So if we click on this copy query, we can simply have the query of this particular filter section, and if we save it, copy here and paste it. So as you can see, this is the query of this particular. So as you can see, this is the query of the particular condition or the filter you want. अब एज यू नो, अगर आपको एक कॉम्प्लेक्स फिल्टर मैन्युअली लिखना पड़ता है, लाइक इन एसक्यूएल और इन द डाटाबेस, तो वो काफ़ी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग और टेक्निकल हो जाता है। लेकिन सर्विस नाउ में ब्रेडक्रम्ब से ये क्वेरी ऑटोमेटिकली जनरेट होती है, जो कि सर्विस नाउ को एक लो कोड प्लेटफॉर्म बनाने में हेल्प करती है, एज आई सेड अर्लियर। सो दिस वाज एवरीथिंग फॉर दिस वीडियो। आज हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा? लेट्स हैव अ क्विक रिकैप। दैट इज सर्च टेक्निक्स, जो आपको क्विकली फाइंड करने में, डाटा फाइंड करने में हेल्प करता है। फिल्टर्स और कंडीशन बिल्डर्स, जो अपना रिक्वायर्ड डाटा इजीली रिफाइन कर सकता है। एंड ब्रेडक्रम्स, जो फिल्टरिंग नेविगेशन को इजी बनाता है और क्वेरी जनरेट करता है। एंड ये सब टूल्स के कारण ही हमारा सर्विस नाउ एक लो कोड अप्रोच फॉलो करता है, और यही एग्जांपल्स आपको कॉम्प्लेक्स क्वेरीज लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है। व्हाट आई वांट इज कि आपने अभी तक जितना भी पढ़ा है, समझा है, सर्च एंड फिल्टर, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टूल्स समझे, इसको आप खुद अप्लाई करें, प्रैक्टिस करें, ताकि आपको और चीज़ें अच्छे से क्लियर और समझे। तब तक हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।